session. It is promotion of IT promotions, industry, academia partnership. So we can say that there are two stakeholders, industry and academia. Now, before starting, if you will see that the objective or the logo, if you will see PSG Chamber of Commerce, it is progress, harmony and development. And if you will see the academic institution logo, their objective is to educate. Now, the purpose of education and progressing, harmony and development, the major objective is to protect the right. Right says it's a protected interest and it must not be violated, and if it will be violated, we can go to the court of law. So, if you will see that what are the challenges which we need to look into it, and that must be understood on the part of each and every stakeholders, then only the nation will grow. So if you will see the importance of industry academia partnership, what is the logic behind this? The first one is knowledge exchange. There are two different parameters of judging right and wrong, and what will be the best in the interest of the general public, that can be satisfied through knowledge exchange. The purpose of seminar, conferences, or the like-minded people, when they are applying their mind on a particular topic, they are exchanging their thoughts. So it is helpful in that regard. Second is skill development. When you are developing something, it provides the opportunity to a student to gain practical insight. As highlighted by Satish sir just now, that there are various schemes on the part of the government to motivate the students how to enter into these types of MSME related works, and how they can work positively for the enhancement of their knowledge, so that they can contribute to the society as well as the nation. The third one is research collaboration. Collaborative research projects between the academia and industry derive the development of intellectual property, because as I told you, there are two level of stakeholders, academia and industry. If they will be applying their mind for the development, automatically that development will be the healthy development. Next slide we will speak about what are the benefits of academia partnership with respect to IPR promotions. Now, first is enhanced innovation. The partnership creates such an environment that gives the opportunity to flourish or to grow new people with regard to recent changes. Second is long-term goal growth. If you are doing some research and by which you are contributing something for the satisfaction not only at your level, it will help you for everyone and in the society, which will support not only the talent as well as your market insight need to be assessed to academia market insight. If you will see how the importance of industry academia partnership can be worked out, it may be through joint patent development, commercialization successes, and intellectual property licensing. These are the three parameters by which an academic team can lead to the successful development of a novel patent inspired, which leads to partnership result in commercialization of research project. And the third one, with collaborative effort, we can reach to a particular goal. Now, if we will talk about